tell us about yourself. What's your name?
My name is Divine Favor Bihobot. I am an Igbo boy hail from Abia State, and I'm also a musical genius all around. Like I play instruments and I compose songs myself. I play and I also write songs for some people.
So what instruments do you play?
I play drums and partially keyboard.
All right. So where's your location? Where are you staying?
I'm staying at Kotu, Lagos State.
All right. Welcome. You still want to say more about yourself?
No, that's all for now.
All right. Can we clap for him? Okay, so we would really like to know your age. How old are you?
Okay.
You sound quite young, so I'd like to know your age.
Yeah, I'm 18.
Oh, I see.
But this is my move. By next 2 days, I'm going to be 19.
Oh! All right, it's nice to have you. All right, a very young, talented individual. Very young. All right, so you came all out and you are one of the consolation prize winners. What's your expectation from us and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Firstly, I see myself big. Like I want to be connected with the people, like my people that I look up to in the music industry. Like I have many people I look up to. I wish to do stuff, do music, do art with them.
Yeah.
And I expect from Elegant and Child. Like I'm expecting from them. I expect a big push from them through my own talent.
And we're going to give that to you, all right? As far as you're ready to work with us, we're going to do that.
100% ready and fired up.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. All right. So lastly, what's your word of encouragement to viewers out there who are watching you? All right. What can you say to them as your last word?
Okay. What I have to say to viewers out there who are waiting, who are hoping to be in the limelight. Nothing good comes so easy. So you've got to work your way up. Even if you have been scammed many times, there's no harm in trying. Even though you've been scammed once, twice, 10 times, you can still try more. You don't know which one God is going to use to elevate you. Yeah. So just keep trying till you get what you want. God send your helper or your help through a means.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Mr. Prince Kelly, for coming around. It's nice to have you. Have a nice time.